Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna replace the disc brake on the front wheel. So after I remove the wheel, there are two bolts that has to be opened. This one, and then down here, this one. I gotta clean them a little bit using a wire brush. Then with the 80mm socket and the breaker bar, I'm going to open the bolts. Second one. Then with a normal socket, 18mm, I'm gonna use also some penetrating fluid to not break the threads of the bolts while I'm opening them. Unfortunately, I have to use the breaker bar all the way because the bolts are very rusty on the end and I cannot take them out with the normal socket. Now with the T30, I'm going to open the bolt that holds the disc brake on the rotor. If you work alone like me, you can use your breaker bar to press the brake and hold it against the chair. You might consider also replacing this bolt because usually it's very rusty. I'm gonna remove the ABS sensor so I can have space to press on the piston, so I can take the caliper off. If I press on the pad and against the caliper like this, it will make space enough for the caliper to come off like this. With the caliper on the box, now I can begin to try to take this out. Finally. Then installing the new disc brake. Now the caliper, make sure that you press the pads so there's enough space. Tighten the bolt back. Now I will tighten it with the breaker bar. Now it's time to install this little sensor back. Make sure everything is in place. The disc spins. Now it's time to clean it a little bit, because this area has to be free of oil so that the brakes will not slip when you press on them. I will start the car to see if I have done something wrong with the ABS. It seems like everything is in order. No warning lights, nothing. These are the old disc brakes, this is the new one. That's how you install it. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos like this, and see you next time.